I'm making crispy chicken thighs. These are boneless chicken thighs with the skin on. I only have salt on these. The earlier you salt them, the better. But I have no additional seasoning yet. If you put seasoning on them now, the seasoning will burn before the chicken is fully cooked. So I'm putting these skin side down into a cold pan. Cold. Oven is off. Try to get as much contact with the skin in the pan as possible. I'm gonna put this to like a 6, but this is cold, completely off. And what happens here is the fat will slowly render out, and that's what makes that skin nice and crispy. Once that skin gets crispy, we just flip it over and finish the cooking. And you'll start to see all this liquid in the pan. That's just from the fat from the skin rendering. I put no oil in there. You've been going for a couple minutes. I'm gonna get a quick peek. Coming along, but it needs more time. It's been 10 minutes, so I'm gonna flip this over and we can see that's a lot better. So I'm gonna flip these over and cook on the other side. Most of the cooking happened when it was skin side down. So I'm thinking that these are done. You can always pull out a thermometer and check, but I'm gonna pull these off now. So I let these rest just like I would a steak, maybe not as long. And you can hear the sound. This extra piece is for Chef.